The Liberals are facing a huge existential crisis. They are frustrated like never before. Desperate for attention, they are now back with their pathetic antics. The latest being slogans against our security forces. Let's debate.
On the debate tonight, the Liberals are frustrated. Their hypocrisy has been called out repeatedly. Be it on the violence in JNU, be it on the anti-CAA protests,
अगर आप देखें उन डिटेल्स में तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि हो सकता है कुछ ऐसा लगता है ना कि हो सकता है मतलब अगर आप पढ़ें कि क्या लिखा उसमें
be it on left-wing intolerance in campuses.
There's something fundamentally wrong with the culture. And I believe that culture has got to do with the permeation of party politics, of partisan politics in a ridiculous way, in an extreme way. And in West Bengal in particular, we've seen the enormous damage this has done to generations of students. And are we going to repeat that same folly once again?
Frustrated, they are resorting to provocation. After these Free Kashmir posters, it is these slogans against forces serving in Kashmir. Is the Liberal lobby getting desperate to stay relevant? Let's debate.
And once again, at the start of this debate, a small announcement I want to make here. RepublicWorld.com publishes more than 1,000 accurate news stories a day. If you are frustrated of this, leftist anti-India propaganda going on some digital sites, switch to Republic World. Stay with the nation. My first question is to Fawzia Arshi, who's a film director from Mumbai.
No one with sense will shift from left to right, whether you like it or not. We will read both and balance them.
I just want to tell you, Suneet Chopra, there is no left or right, but there is right and wrong. I hope you understand what I mean. You realize that. In India today, there is only right and wrong.
Because the right is wrong. The right is wrong.
Yeah, and I'm searching for a microscope with a microscope for the left.
Absolutely.
I haven't found them. When you find them in some crevice somewhere, please do let me know.
Well, the whole Kerala government is there.
Yeah.
You tried your best in Sabrimala and got kicked out of Kerala.
Well, you know what, Suneet Chopra, please don't get emotional about the present situation of your party.
And today, it is with courage that the Chief Minister of Kerala passed a resolution against the Israeli law of Modi.
Well, I think there is some 24-carat gold in the CPM, who have driven your party down to where it is. Ask the carrots about why your party disappeared. That's not my problem. The carrots are responsible for the evaporation of your party. Ask both the carrots. And now may I please continue with the serious debate. Fawzia Arshi, my first question is to you. Certain visuals came before us today. People say, these frustrated liberals say, Kashmir mein jo deshat gardi hai, iske piche vardi hai. UP mein deshat gardi hai, iske piche vardi hai. Delhi mein deshat gardi hai, iske piche vardi hai. Now, if you people, if these frustrated liberals want to do a little disco number, they should go to a disc. Because if this continues now, you realize how hated these liberals are. If just go to a shopping mall, Fawzia, and start abusing the forces. You'll be chucked out. You go to a movie hall today and start abusing the security forces, you'll be ousted. Go near an IT park today. Go to a center of growth of the Indian economic engine today, you know, people will tell you you are a nuisance. And there is a growing hatred for these anti-nationals. You know, these posters are absurd. Free Kashmir. Free Kashmir from where? I mean, what exactly do you want here? देश में जो हो रहा है उसके पीछे वर्दी है. Why do you abuse? Why do you abuse the security forces? 27 missing children were rescued by the Delhi police wearing vardi near bus stations and railway stations in Delhi, right? That's positive and good work. That's contribution to the country. A bunch of unemployed and unemployable 40-year-old PhD students abusing our security forces, you know, Fawzia, is no longer fashionable. Madhu is here, she'll explain to you.
Yes. See, this kind of situation occurs when there is some miscommunication between the government and the public. Now, the kind of videos that are getting viral on the social media, wherein everybody is witnessing police doing all, you know, they are pursuing the dandas and
one second.
firing the,
Are you one second? Fawzia, may I ask you one thing? Fawzia, may I ask you one thing? Did you see the video of your present-day icon, you know, a student Gunda called Aishi Ghosh, who was leading murderous mobs, attacking and trying to kill students who wanted to give examinations? Are those the videos you are talking about? I think, Tom, those are the videos you're talking about. And I have with me today Sheshmani Sahu, who I'd like to introduce to you, Fawzia. Sheshmani Sahu of the ABVP. One minute. Abhishek Verma. One second. Abhishek Verma, right? Abhishek? One second. Abhishek is there. You spoke about videos. Abhishek, please tell Fawzia what happened to you, so that the frustrated liberals know what exactly is happening in this country. Let's improve the communication.
The frustrated rightists.
Don't shout. Yeah. Abhishek, आपके साथ क्या हुआ जरा बता दीजिए इन frustrated liberals को. सबको बता दें. Sunit Chopra, don't shout. Can Abhishek hear me? Sheshmani Sahu is there. Abhishek, you can hear me? Yeah, go on, Abhishek. Go on.
Sir.
Louder.
सर, मैं इस आपके माध्यम से मैं क्लियरली इस बात को मेंशन करना चाहूँगा कि मैंने एक प्रयास किया था. मेरी गलती सिर्फ इतनी थी कि मैं पढ़ना चाहता था. मैं गया था स्कूल एरिया में रजिस्ट्रेशन करने के लिए. रजिस्ट्रेशन करने गया था तो वहाँ जो मॉब खड़ी थी, जो मास्क्ड मॉब खड़ी थी, जिनके पास रॉड्स थे, जिनके पास स्टिक्स थे, वो कहते हैं कि आप रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि आपके डिपार्टमेंट के जीबीएम ने ये पास किया है कि आप रजिस्ट्रेशन बॉयकॉट करेंगे. तो मैंने कहा कि आपके इस डिसीजन के खिलाफ मैं अपना डिसेंट पेश करता हूं. ठीक उसी तरीके से जिस तरीके से आप अफजल गुरु के फांसी को आपने क्वेश्चन मार्क लगाया, इस देश के लोकतांत्रिक व्यवस्था के द्वारा पास किया हुआ CAA के खिलाफ में आपने प्रदर्शन किए, उसी तरीके से मैं आपके पास किए हुए रेजोल्यूशन को डिसेंड करता हूं और मैं रजिस्ट्रेशन करना चाहता हूं. और इसका नतीजा ये होता है कि मेरे ही इमीडिएट सीनियर द्वारा मुझे दौड़ाया जाता है और कमरे के अंदर इस तरीके से पीटा जाता है कि आप ये देख सकते हैं कि मेरा पूरा लेफ्ट साइड पैरालाइज्ड है, ये मेरा हाथ फ्रैक्चर्ड है. ये क्लियरली आपको दिखाने की कोशिश की गई है जो उनके खिलाफ किया है. ये मॉब, मैं क्लियरली इस बात को मेंशन करना चाहूंगा आपके स्टूडियो से कि आईसी घोष और सतीश चंद्र यादव द्वारा लीड किया गया मॉब ने मुझ पर अटैक किया है. यूनियन काउंसिल के मेंबर सुचिता तालुकदार, कासिम मासूमी और दोलन सामंता ने इस मॉब को लीड किया है. मेरे अपने ट्रिपल एस काउंसिल के काउंसलर्स हैं.
अफसोस की बात है सर, जो भी हुआ आपके साथ, आयशी घोष के स्टिकर नहीं लगे, टैटू नहीं लगाया है. अर्नब, मैं आपको भी कह रहा हूं, Arnab, that's not a tattoo.
The question is,
15 stitches.
The question is, Aishi Ghosh was leading the assault. Aishi Ghosh was leading the assault. I'm really sorry if it upsets you.
Did she bang the head?
But my question to Fawzia is, Fawzia, you seem to be a well-meaning individual, though perhaps a little unaware of the details. Fawzia, since you have all that, your information is from WhatsApp University. A social media, a WhatsApp education is not a good education, Fawzia. You need to speak to the reality. You know, you people think on every Sunday evening that you have nothing to do. You take out your guitars and have a little walk around Carter Road in Mumbai. That is not the reality of our country. You know, you have put yourself into an echo chamber where you do not really listen to anyone anymore.
It's not like this. It's never like this.
No, it's really unfortunate. You know, there are people, we want to show you the right way.
This.
Madhu is listening tonight, Madhu.
See, the world is speaking about...
No, 1 second. Which world? Do you know what the army does? You've been abusing the forces non-stop. And I want to ask you today, you know, you raise the 1 minute, Fawzia, abusing the army. You know what? You keep saying Kashmir ko azad karo. Do you know there is that schools and colleges in Kashmir have opened with 98% attendance in November last year? You know, you people don't know anything about anything. Fawzia.
See, where there is
Fawzia,
where
Madhu will tell you more. Madhu will educate you. Madhu, please continue the education.
There's a flood. It's the army. Fawzia, you would have seen for yourself. If there is a flood, it's the army that rescues the people. The civil administration is missing. The politicians are missing. If there is a hurricane, it's the army.
We respect the army. Of course we respect the army.
If
but
people
army men are also human beings sometimes.
One second. Let me finish. Fawzia, let me finish.
They are not the angels.
When schools shut down because of political unrest, because of terrorist attacks, it's the army who ran schools in the remotest villages. When the health services shut down because of terrorist attacks and the politicians of Kashmir ran away, it's the army that provided health services. When people run out of gas cylinders, it's the army that provides them in emergency situations. Electricity restoration. And I'm saying even when terrorists threaten people that you will not send them to Sadbhavna schools of the army, their kids, people defied the dictates of the terrorists because army was giving the quality education that the civil administration and Sarkari schools of
everything is fantastic.
Provided.
Everything is
and
fine. Then nobody is abusing army.
No, you are constantly talking about the Dahshatgardi of the army. The problem is...
You are.
No. You see, Fawzia...
There is no army.
Fawzia,
and when
may I please speak to Fawzia? Fawzia, 1 minute.
Yes.
Fawzia.
For recruitment.
Fawzia.
For 2,000 jobs.
Fawzia, 1 minute. Fawzia, listen.
Yes.
You see, Fawzia, you seem to be a person of decent intent, but little information. And I just want to tell you one thing, that there is a difference between knowing, and speaking and not knowing and speaking. And I need to tell you this, that after 5 drinks at a posh lounge bar, if somebody walks down for their weekly little, Qawwali session on Carter Road, that's not serving the country. And the problem I have with people like you, Fawzia, is very often that you speak without any information. None of you, Anurag Kashyap, any of these types, Vishal Bhardwaj, have on their fingertips, allow me to complete, a single data point. And therefore, on the program tonight, I wish to ask you, no, listen, beyond inanities, don't behave like Farhan Akhtar. Beyond inanities, like army is also human, they also make mistakes, people are also good. Beyond speaking class 5 English, my question to you is, can you present a single fact against the security forces today? One single data point, please. Let's check your awareness levels.
Right now, at this moment, I will really not question anything because it's the matter of my country's
No, but I'm saying
defense.
to you...
I cannot really...
No, 1 second, Fawzia. Fawzia, don't try and get away. Madhu, what am I asking, Fawzia? What am I asking, Fawzia, Madhu? All I'm saying... Tom, all I'm saying is you constantly insult our security forces and pass vague generalization after 5 drinks at a posh lounge bar in Bandra. My question is today, Tom, and this is very interesting. I am demanding a single factual data point that you have against the security forces on the basis of which you...
It cannot be given here right away. But
it cannot be given right away, but you can vilify. It cannot be given, but you will abuse. It cannot be given, but you'll generalize.
I will not abuse. I should not abuse.
You see, the problem is Twitter activism. Twitter activism has to be serious. This is vacuous. Tom, not one information. If I turn around and ask you today...
See, on Twitter, there are two kinds of people sitting.
No, one second. Again, you are giving me the class 5 English.
One in favor of
Don't give me class 5 English. What I'm saying is, go back and ask your ilk, like Farhan Akhtar. No, go back there. Say Arnab asked us the question and go and ask Farhan. You lied about CA. When my reporter asked you, you said, I don't know anything. You didn't go into any detail. I want you to go into detail. Who martyred Rifleman Aurangzeb? What happened to him in Pulwama? Why did Rajendra Singh, 22-year-old, get martyred by a stone-pelting mob in October 2018? Why don't you people ask these questions? You know, you are frustrated because people of India hate you. People of India hate you because you talk without knowing.
See, right now...
You're a film director. If you behave like this...
The question of the country is employment. The country of the question is...
Come on, don't give me this. This is now class 2 level.
The country is the economy is going down. This is not the question today that we are discussing upon,
It's unfortunate.
There are
it's
so
unfortunate
many things. This is just the mind diversion.
They don't understand anything serious.
This is just the kind of mind diverting the mind.
They don't understand the basic
questions.
This is WhatsApp information. The University of WhatsApp has awarded them a certified degree. And on that basis, they come into public domain and enter into a debate. Now, whether the case of Ms. Farhan or these leaks from Bollywood, yesterday you saw what has happened with Deepti did. She went to JNU and that was a PR exercise to run her film. Now, these are the kind and variety. What will they do to run their film, to run their book? Any scandalized issue, and there is no substance. There were questions that Arnab asked you about the Indian Army, and you have no answer.
And that's
because there is nothing to answer.
And that's why
these are people who have sacrificed their life. Sacrifice their life for this country, and they, in this freezing winter, -0 degree, they are waiting and helping you to survive. And you raise your finger against them. It's unfortunate. What lyrics are you writing about and what lyrics are you singing? These are mourning songs for your army, and you talk about the uniform.
Sunit, don't shout.
Indeed. If this is the plight and this is how you say thank you.
Everybody is important, you know, army is important and the armed forces are very important. Both are
I thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I've shared some facts tonight. Fawzia, I assure you, Republic will continue to give you more and more information. Just tell the misinformed or uninformed people in your ilk that we are ready to educate them. Tausif, good seeing you. See you tomorrow at 9. Good night and goodbye.